I have a demand যেগুলো নিউ মডেল বেরাবে ফোনের, please include one feature which allows you to record vertically and horizontally at the same time. Because let's say আমি কিছু রেকর্ড করছি something and I want to include that in a long video on YouTube, say a vlog, and I also want to post it as a short. How am I supposed to record both the things at the same time? I know YouTube shorty you can post horizontal video, but ওটা তোমাকে edit করতে হবে and you have to change the ratio to vertical, ঠিক আছে, but still উপর নিচে blank space থেকে যায় black, which does not look very nice. So I want one feature যেটা আমি একসাথে vertically and horizontally তুলতে পারবো. So I'll have both the videos at the same time, because that moment only lasts once. এমন না কি আমি horizontally তুললাম দিয়ে কেটে আবার vertically তুললাম, ততক্ষণ হয়তো মোমেন্টটা শেষ হয়ে গেছে. So I need one feature. Please note করে রাখ.